Damn. This is something you don't see every day. Here's Fountain Playboys. I know y'all can probably barely see me. Y'all probably just see the glasses. We are on our way to Cars and Hookah, man. It's been a while since I've been to one of these events. It's crazy. The guy who throws these events is the guy who does my alignments. So yeah, shout out to you, bro. You killing it, dog, with these events. We got a 13-mile drive, 14 minutes, ain't too far, you feel me? So, oh snap. Is that a cop next to me? It definitely is. Definitely is a cop. Well, guys, we made it to the meet, man. Hey, copyright. All right, so I gotta put the mic a little closer to my mouth so y'all can hear me, but look at this, guys. Damn. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I just know it's a V8 with a big turbo on it. And it's a truck, so it gotta be fast. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm just gonna vlog and whatever I get is what I get, you guys. But we are here. Some nice little turnout from what I'm seeing. Pretty damn cool. We gonna see what we talking about as we walk in and talk to people. No, I'm just walking around talking, bro. You want to say something?
I didn't know you were gonna start the vlog right then and there, but we're here. Cars and Hookah. It's not Skyline versus Supra, but it's all right.
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah, no, I'm done.
This Brabus. How you pronounce it? Brabus? Brabus, whatever it's called, bro. It's expensive, but let me not say ugly. It's just not my taste. You feel me?
Bro, this is expensive. If it's real.
It might be fake. Clean little Porsche right here, man. What's it, a GT3? It's tough. Carbon ceramic brakes. You got a McLaren here. Little hash right here. You know what's missing? Dusty. Dusty right here. Alright guys, so we made it back to the crib, man. I know I didn't record much of that car meet. It was so much going on and a lot of music playing. But it's alright, because I'm going to make it up to you guys tomorrow. So here we go. Alright, so y'all probably could barely see me right now, but it's whatever. Y'all just got to listen. The amount of cars that are here right now and that just started 11 minutes ago, it's crazy. The fact that we have to go park across the street somewhere, not even like a designated spot, is even more crazy. So hopefully I can find somewhere to park. Bro, clean S2000, crazy looking Supra. There's literally no parking, so I really had to go park at a freaking Pollo Tropico. This is crazy. I'm hoping when I come back out that my car is in the same spot that I left it. Hopefully. But let's go check out this meet, man. So hopefully you guys can hear me, man. I gotta speak really loud. I'll probably fix this post editing, but this is a crazy turnout. Damn, there's a lot of people. This is clean. Damn, it's tough. S15. Is this the same color that Fresh Cooks had his?
That's the turbo right there.
It's fire. Shiny engine bay. No, you're good, bro. You're good. Damn. And something I will own in life, it will definitely be a yellow GTR, especially a R33. Just this is just beautiful. Evo's clean as hell too. Damn, bro. Ooh, look at the interior. Damn, y'all can't. Oh yeah, you can see that. That is fire. I think this is purple or it's burgundy, one of those. Steering wheel's clean, Momo steering wheel. Damn, bro. This is tough. One thing I always love about walking in these shows is the fresh smell of E85. E85 is literally everywhere right now, and that's the only thing I have been smelling for the past 20 minutes. Damn, Mike, where you at, Mike? Sheesh. These are both fire. If I could build a 2J, it'd definitely be one of these. This is clean. A Chaser, fire. Look at this EG. Pretty sure it's all-wheel drive. Yep, all-wheel drive. Got the big old slick in the back, slick in the front. Carbon fenders. What I gotta do to make this type of money, man? Do I need to sell a kidney? Excuse me, sir. I believe you have a nitrous bottle and a Supra that's already fast as hell. Bro, that turbo is gigantic. Jeez. The Super channel. Damn. This is beautiful. Look at that. Clean interior, bro. I can't believe that nitrous bottle is in here. Like, how much power do you need? This is something you don't see every day. Is that a... What is this? What is this? Is this a... Bro, is this half a car being pulled by the full version of the car? What the heck? That is crazy, bro. It's actually being trailered. What the heck? Oh my gosh. They're really doing TikToks. This is hilarious. So I've been informed that that they're supposed to be having a two-step battle, and I really want to see that because there is some nice, expensive Supras and GTRs here, and you know when one start, they all start. So I really want to see that. I want to see how insane it's gonna get here. That is clean. That is a clean chaser. That's a chaser, right? Let me know if I'm wrong. Oh, did you just money shift? Ah, I don't even think I got that. I was aiming the damn camera up. I can't believe I failed you guys like that. I'm sorry. Damn. I'm about to do a pull myself now. Sheesh. That's clean. Smell E85. Sheesh. Damn, bro. Everything here is so clean. Like literally everything, you guys. It's a pretty good turnout, man. It's similar to what my boy throws. Just that it's at a freaking expensive jewelry store. My gosh. Damn. My goodness. Sheesh. Well, sadly, they didn't two-step. I guess, I don't know what happened. My boy told me they were supposed to two-step. There was literally nobody two-stepping. So I'm making my way back to the car, back to Dusty, and heading my black ass home, man. This was a pretty good turnout, man. Hopefully on the way back, when I got the GoPro on my head, we could catch some runs, because I see everybody's leaving, so maybe I could find somebody to run. Hopefully, man, because I really messed up by breaking that stupid GoPro yesterday. This one today, it's the working one. So I know in this clip you guys are probably like, bro, I can't hear shit you saying. Yeah, bro, like I said, I was not prepared for this, man. A G37 pulled up on me, wanting a race. As you guys seen, I gave him the sauce. And then in this clip, I'm trying to talk and tell you guys what I'm saying, but I can't because my GoPro audio sucks. But basically, I was just saying that I need to be more prepared. But yeah, man, this is where I'm gonna end off the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram _GotTheSoda. And yeah, man, stay tuned. I got some merch dropping, and they're actually fire. So yeah, your boy's out. Peace.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind.